calling at St. Helens Bridge, Angel Pass, Bowden, Coxley, Benton, and Port Benton. This train has 5 coaches. Train now approaching platform 8, does not stop here. Please stand back from the platform edge. The train now approaching platform 5, does not stop here. Please stand back from the platform edge. Stepford UFC. This train has 3 coaches. Calling at St. Helens Bridge, Bowden, Coxley, Benton, Hampton Hargate, Water Newton, Leighton Stepford Road, Leighton City, and Edgemead. This train has 4 coaches. Stepford Central. Calling at Stepford Central only. This train has 5 coaches. Morganstown, Stepford Airport Central, Airport Terminal 1, and Airport Terminal 2. This train has 6 coaches. First class is located at the middle of this train. Plat service to Stepford Victoria. Calling at Stepford Central and Stepford Victoria. This train has 4 coaches. Angel Pass, Bowden, Coxley, Benton, Benton Bridge, Stepford Airport Parkway, and Stepford Airport Central. This train has 4 coaches. Platform 4 for the 12:25 Stepford Connect. Calling at Stepford Central and Stepford Victoria. This train has 5 coaches.